How to make love in Infinity Craft. So let's get started. Earth plus wind. We have dust. Dust plus earth. We have planet. Planet plus fire, and we will have sun. Sun plus fire, and we will get solar. Solar plus planet. We have system. Double water right now. We have lake. Double lake. We have ocean. Earth plus water. We have plant. Plant plus lake. We have lily. Lily plus ocean. We have mermaid. Mermaid plus fire. We have siren. Siren plus system. We have operating system. Fire plus wind. We have smoke. Smoke plus water. We have fog. Fog plus planet. We have Venus. And Venus plus fog. Let me see. Let me find it. Fog. Where he is? He is. We have love. So hope that this video will help you guys, and we will see in the next videos.